Welcome back everyone. In today's tutorial I'm going to walk you through the process of saving your Canva project directly to your computer. Once you've finished editing your project, you navigate to the top right corner of your screen and locate the Share button, click on it, and then a drop-down menu will appear. From there select Download and click on it. Now you will be presented with several options regarding the file type. Choose the one that suits your needs by clicking on it. For this demonstration, I'm going to export my project as a video. If you're following along, select the video option and then you'll be given further specifications for your chosen file type. I am opting for a 4K resolution, however, it's important to note that this feature is only available if you are using Canva Pro. Once you made your selections, click on the download button. And then your file will then begin to download. It's depending on your internet connection and the size of your project. This may take a moment. And there we have it. Your file has been successfully downloaded. You can now find it in your computer's download folder. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and consider subscribing.